If your resume is not getting you interviews, it's not because you're not good enough, it's because it's not saying the right things in the right way. Today, I'll show you how to fix that using formatting, keywords, and Aussie tools that recruiters actually trust. Here's the truth. Most resumes get rejected before humans even see them. Why? Because they don't pass the ATS, which is the application tracking system. That's the software scanning your resume for keywords, layout, and relevance. If your resume isn't properly formatted or doesn't speak the language of the job ad, it's invisible. I worked with a client named Sarah, smart, qualified, but stuck. She'd applied for 40 jobs and heard nothing back. We sat down, looked at her resume, and it was full of great experience, but formatted like a uni essay. No keywords, no summary, no impact. We built it using Seek's Resume Builder, added a short summary at the top, used bullet points, and matched her skills to the job ad. Within 2 weeks, she had 3 interviews, same person, new presentation. Here's what you can do right now to make your resume work for you. Use a clean layout. That means no tables, no graphs, because the ATS system hates it. Start with a short professional summary, 2 to 3 lines that shows your value. Mirror the job ad. Use the same keywords, especially for skills and tools. Quantify your achievements. For example, increase sales by 20% versus responsible for sales. Use Seek's Resume Builder or something similar. They're designed for Aussie recruiters. And a big tip here is don't use the Canva templates. I know it might sound a little bit controversial because they look great, but they often use columns, graphs, and design elements that confuse ATS software. So your resume ends up being unreadable and you get filtered out even before a recruiter sees it. So my friends, stick to single column, text-based format. It's not about looking pretty, it's about getting seen. And I say this as somebody who regularly undertakes recruitment. I've seen hundreds of resumes with poor formatting, poor spelling, bad grammar, such as American grammar rather than Australian, and little to no achievements listed. These are the first things that get your application tossed aside. If you want help tailoring your resume for a specific role, drop a comment or check out the free resource linked below. And if you're serious about landing interviews, why not subscribe? I've got more videos coming on cover letters, interview prep, and career pivots. And if you're ready to go deeper, I cover all this in my group coaching sessions. We walk through how to build an ATS-friendly resume and optimize your LinkedIn profile to make the right connections in your industry. It's practical, strategic, and designed to get results. But if you're still struggling to map out your career and looking to earn a 6-figure salary in the future, why not watch this next video?